This here is one of my favorite tools to have around the farm and shop. What we got here is a 1/2 inch high torque power impact wrench. This baby has a lot of power, 400 foot-pounds. Now, this here is made by GV Life. They really make some good, high-quality tools. This particular pack comes with 2 batteries. We're talking 3 amp hour batteries. They just slide right off. Also includes this real nice hard case. Here's the extra battery. Got a charger here that just simply plugs right into here, plug into the wall. And on the batteries, once you plug them in, there's an indicator. This is how to power the tool on, but it'll show you how much battery life you have. But what I'm going to do here is, I should say too, also comes with several different bits. This one is, what is the range on this particular one? As you can see, we got, we just forget exactly. Yeah, it's 14, 17, 18, 19, 21, and 22 millimeters sockets. And these are the metric. And here, all they do, they just go right on, push, little force. Now, to tighten it, you have this button here. Goes to the right. To loosen, you press it in. Oh, yeah. Loosens them right up. And we'll just keep going. Super powerful, easy to use, comes with, like I said, several bits. This is one tool that I love, like I said, to have around the farm. Love it.